Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 11th. Today on 1st May, I am here Manzoor Ahmad Dar with the poem, with the teaching of the poem, The Voice of the Rain. We'll continue with it, and we are doing today the practice exercise given at the end of this chapter. It is poem 3 from the text Hornbill. The exercise is on page number 42, and it starts with think it out. Then the question number 1, there are two voices in the poem. What do they belong to? Who do they belong to? Which lines indicate this? So there are two voices in the poem, and these voices belong to two different uh, um, entities, and we have to we have to show those entities, and we have to say which lines from the poem indicate this. Dear students, uh, now we'll try to write the answer. I told you this the poem is a conversation between the rain and the poet. So we'll write like this. There are two voices in the poem. Uh, The poem is a conversation between the poet and the rain. The poet personifies the rain to speak. The lines which indicate these speakers is line 1 and line 3. So line 1 here is, and who art thou? Who are you? Said I to the soft falling shower. Soft falling shower here is the rain, and the poet inquires about its being, asks it who it was. And I here is the poet. And the line 3, I am poem of the earth. I am poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. So the voice of the rain here clear in the line 3. It is the voice of the rain which says that I am poem of the earth. Here I stands for rain, and the line is the voice of the rain. Now the question is, we'll continue it. What does the phrase strange to tell mean? Strange to tell is a phrase used by the poet, uh, perhaps in the second line of the poem, and it says, uh, the the poet wonders when he gets reply from the rain how people could believe it that the soft falling shower has replied to his question, replied to his query. So it was uh, strange for him to tell it to the people. So I have written the answer like this. When the poet asked the rain, who art thou? The soft falling rain replied to his question, I am poem of the earth. This reply the poet thinks could hardly be believed by people. Poet himself wonders and thinks how to tell this story to the people. So he expresses his strangeness first, and so he expresses strangeness first and says strange to tell. Then we'll do the another question, that is, there's a parallel drawn between rain and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. The comparison between rain and the song is made in lines 8 and 8 to 10. In lines 8 and 10, the words used to compare are, uh, dash dash dash, by day and night I give life to my own origin. And so this is the voice of the rain. It says that I rise from the earth, then I come back in the shape of raindrops to beautify it, to provide life to the hidden things in it, to the seeds, etc. So similarly, it is the last, I think, last but one line of the poem. Lie is last but one. For song. Yes, it is for song. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment wandering. It is like song. When it comes out of its birthplace from the heart of a poet, from the poet. uh, record or on record duly with love returns. It after wandering here and there, after being discussed here and there, after being sung here and there, it returns the poet and delights him. And we say love has returned to the poet like the rain returns to the poet. So this is here. This is the comparison here made between the music and the voice of the rain. Thank you, guys. Thank you for today.